Are you scared, kuya? Are you scared? Natatakot siya kasi nga yung mga motor tsaka mga sasakyan. Yeah. Marami silang iba-ibang presyo. So kailangan mo baratin din sila kasi parang tinataas nila yung presyo kasi alam nila na magtatawad ka. No, not good, honey. Look at that.
No, I've got all that.
Black one.
They're probably too big.
Can you try? Can you try? Baka malaki
Which one
daw.
you want, Jojo?
Which one you want,
Any?
kuya?
You have to get any. Yeah, I know, they're still a bit.
Do you want anything, sir?
This black one?
This one. Try this one, sir. Just try one.
I like Rick Curl or Scoop.
This is polo, hon.
Yeah,
I
that's
like
nothing.
the quicksilver.
Huh?
I like it.
I'll try the Quicksilver one.
Quicksilver one daw. Yung Quicksilver.
Try
No,
that.
this one, this one. It's alright. It's alright, ha? Let me see, kuya. It's alright. Ang pula ng mata niya, kakaswim.
It fits.
How much is this?
300.
Less.
How much? Tell me.
80?
Ow. One ayit to.
80?
One ayit.
No.
Last price.
80.
Yeah, we don't have to go out.
Ang price niya is 200.
Just goes like that.
Tapos sabi niya 100. Sabi ko hindi, 80.
Yeah.
Okay?
What about for you?
Just this one. Okay. Bila si Sakso dito. Ito yung talaga matagal pumili. Tingnan mo. At the end, pangit na naman ang mapipili niya. Ano? Wala.
Yeah, I have small one for kid.
Which one you want, Sak?
Which one? Which one? This.
Yan, tagal na naman to, guys.
There's gotta be,
I have Jack here.
gotta be something in there. Zach. What is it?
Quicksilver.
Quicksilver. How much your price?
Man.
How much
Try
your...
first.
Huh?
Ah.
How much your...
Same price. How much you buy?
80?
Same price.
Same price?
Take a look, Zach.
Can you give us a lower price?
Already lower.
Oh.
Zach,
Let me
do
see.
you want that one? You don't want it. You don't want it.
She don't want. Okay, she don't want it.
How about this one? Jack
Ayun.
Red Bull.
Red Bull daw.
Yeah. Jordan.
Jordan. Ah, tagal na naman. Ayun ang
I go
Quicksilver.
Batman. Superman.
Come on,
No,
Sak.
don't get one of them, Zach.
Hon, let him be kid, huh? If you want Superman, Superman.
Tango Pool.
Nice shell daw.
You don't want any, Zach? What?
Pinipilit siya ng tindero. Ayaw ni Sak. Ano, Sak? Nagmamakawa. Okay. Later again, wala siyang napili na naman. Pangatlo or pang-apat na namin tong store para hanapan si Sak ng sombrero. Ano na, Sak? Ang dami, oh, ang dami. Ewan ko ano bang hinahanap ni Sak. Sak.
Okay. What?
Walang napili pa dun si Sak. Hanapan natin ng sun bucket si Holly. The pink one, honey. How much?
10,000.
Look at Sak, you know. How much the first? Tawan daw talaga ako sa tawaran dito eh. Kasi si Kylie, ang galing niyang tumawad. Pag ayaw niya talaga yung yung presyo. Nag-walk out si Kylie, tapos sabi niya, oh sige. Sige na nga. How much is that? 50? 50. Hi, Joe. Ang una nilang price is, how much the first price, Kylie? Kylie? 150. So, binawasan namin ng 100. So, 50 na lang. Yeah.
Orange. Alright, will you stay here because you're
Paubos ng milyones natin. Yeah, yeah. Come here, Sophie. Tawaran na kami doon sa sand bucket. Si Sak nandun pa rin, oh. Sak, ano na, Sak? Ang tagal ni Sak makapili. How about Nike?
Yeah, this one, the same one, boy. Look.
Did you
Look,
find
it.
any, Zach?
That same, look.
He can't make up his
Yeah,
mind.
same.
No, I don't get the same.
No, same.
That's mine, that's mine.
Well, this one.
That one na. He can't decide.
Oh, jadi ya.
Oh my God.
Just get it out of that if you want that
If you want that one, go get it. Whatever you want.
This one. Oh, yeah, this one, green one.
I'll try that one.
Huh?
Ah,
Eh,
favorite color niya is green. I'll try.
This one?
Ayan daw gusto niya. Try.
Yeah.
Let me see. Is it big? Hello. Pag gusto naman ng anak niya, ayaw naman. May napili si Sak, ayaw naman ng daddy. Ay, bahala nga kayo.
Favorite color is green.
Yes. Bahala kayo dyan. Matutulog lang ako dito.
Oh, it's hard to please this kid.
I know, Sak. You are very hard
Oh,
to
don't worry
please.
about
Okay. Next time na lang, Baba. Wala talaga siya tinutulungan na siya ni Kobe. That one? Okay, try it.
They're too big.
Just make it
Seven there, boss.
Right, try.
Okay, try it.
Alright, look at me.
Yeah, it's big. It's big. Meron siya nagustuhan kaso malaki.
Yeah, but he has one like yours. Not the big
No,
brand.
tingnan
Hey,
mo siya.
like this one, boy. Good boy.
Ang hirap niyang i-please.
Hey, this one is good.
Napapagod na sa kanyang tindero. Ano, Baba? You don't want anything here? Tulungan mo na nga yan.
Do you want any hat here? Do you want any hat? Buddy, do you want any hat here?
He's always like that, Han.
Can't take
Ano sa... Wala na naman siyang nakuha.
Where's Sophie?
What do you want?
Oh, good.
What do you want, love?
Oh, I know where she,
You want Nike one?
I know where
You
you
got
can get,
Nike?
I know where you
Yeah.
can get a Nike.
Yeah.
If you follow me, I know where you can get a Nike.
Well,
Oh, come here.
Just stay here, kid.
sila na lang maghanap. Balik sila dun sa, dun sa dulo.
Oh, if you want
Just you can go sit sort of over there, babe, or
Yeah,
somewhere
okay.
away.
Come on.
So,
Go. Kuya TJ, come here. Sophie, go. Come here, Sophie. Maghanap sila pa ng sombrero ni Sak kasi wala pa siyang napipili. Come on, Sophie. Dito namin hintayin yung si Sak tsaka si Jan. Ganito ang mga nila, yung mga design ng papintuan nila. Yung parang gate, ayan, May nahanap na si Sak na sombrero. Ayan, Spider-Man.
Ice cream!
No.
Spider-Man lang pala yung hinahanap ni Sak. At least may nahanap na siya. Favorite niya kasi si Spider-Man din Si Holly tulog pa din. So paano na kayo? Naglalakad na kayo papuntang kung saan kami nakaupo kahapon. Ayan. Yeah, mag-ice cream na naman sila. Let me see na. Wow! That's nice! You like it? You like it? Fine. Where did you get it from? Where did you get this from, Han? Is it far?
No, right across.
Across?
He found it, he went.
Spider-Man.
Right, buddy.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Want an ice cream, bud?
Want ice cream?
Pretty hard on mate.
Mag-ice cream sila. Naghanap si Jan ng shirt para sa mga bata.
Yeah, nice board shorts.
Not open yet. Not open yet.
Not yet. Okay, mamaya pa siguro.
Where do you get this?
cigarette man.
Oh,
Cigarette man.
Right, yeah, when
Like-
it comes, we'll get some.
Yeah, we'll get some. Gusto ni...
Shorts for them, mate. You're looking like bloody long even like.
It looks nice. It looks cool, Baba. Ayaw ni Jan yung short niya, Gusto ni Jan yung Quicksilver na mga style. Yung parang pang surf. Can you press Holly hand, please? She's awake now, baby. Gising na po si Holly. Tatambay na naman tayo dito, Baba. Relax na naman kami. Hapon na naman. Relax.
Sam! Sam! One bintang, one red. What do you want?
Magnum, please.
What a big one. I have classic,
Gusto niya na?
Really good. Classic.
He's professional.
Classic one, ha?
This classic.
Thank you.
That one hazelnut.
Where's the hazelnut? Yeah, hazelnut.
Hazelnut.
This one, girls one.
Magnum din daw.
Thank you so much. See you next time.
Yeah.
Hey Johnny, they made a drink for you, mate. What'd you call it?
Red laugh.
What'd you call it?
Girls. Girls drink.
You can like Connie. Onion.
Thank you. Oh, ang sarap tumambay dito, oh. May pa footrest.
Anyone pay? Hey.
Only.
How much?
Hey John. John doesn't like drink much.
Me too. I don't like drink much now.
100,000. This one?
No.
Card.
Yeah, Dan.
You got?
I tell you what, he has.
Hello.
Have to catch up on what's the watches, man?
Mas masarap yung kay Jam.
Man.
Kasi may almonds yung sa kanya. Sa akin, plain lang. So, masarap naman.
That's good question.
Kaya yan.
Cancer?
I don't know. He's using herbal medicine now.
Waiting.
Ang daming tao dito.
It's not good.
He don't know. Only
Paggabi, patong ghost town. Wala kang makita ang dilim-dilim.
You don't want to know, but the family know. He just said, tell me,
Daming tao.
but don't tell me what I have.
Binibilan niya si Sasha sa TJ ng shorts.
I think Dad's flying from where we live in from Adelaide, I think, to Perth. Only time he's ever been to airplane, never been over.
Pinasar siya sa kung lalaki.
Should come over, Dad. He has 2 steel knees, no replacement, 2 steel hips. He's got a
Ang
triple.
jasa! Is that your friend?
One have for medicine. I think it's good.
Well, they're all cool.
How much?
How much are they? Like how much?
Kills it,
Charge
it slows
for all
it down, it
these?
does
Slow down, not kill. Cancer
Yeah, I
can
know
kill.
that.
Just slow down to grow.
Still working around. Mandy.
Ano, ang galing niya tumawad.
I agree 100%, mate.
Yeah, I paid 50 for my rich health top.
The big one, yeah.
Some people live to 70, 80, longer, smoke all their
Hindi na si Sophie yung damit, oh.
Maybe on Sunday, but
Ang ganda ng pagka-braid kay Sophie.
he's 6 now. It's a bit difficult.
Sophie! Look at me, Baba. Wow, so sexy.
I was thinking the same that time, but then I tell my wife I don't want to go away from the beach. If I want to
Is it,
stay 1
I
hour,
think,
I'm not
is it big enough?
stay here. We build another room for the boy, and with my husband. So that's
Have you got extra?
we could get if that time we sell our house before we build it.
It looks nice, Ann.
We could get big land.
That don't shrink.
But then 1 hour, 1.5 here. I'm not happy.
Well, this is your living.
Yeah, it's a
How's good? How much for that one? Si Jan kasi hindi siya matawad.
Yeah, I think people know side of what you need.
Maybe you need some single cups. Let me see. Show me. Show me, Kuya. Let me see. Turn around. Show Daddy.
That's better. What size is that?
Extra large. Whose bag is that, Kuya? Of course, that's not us. What are you making? Huh? What are you making?
Mom, I need to get wet water.
Where are we gonna get water, Kuya? Because the ocean.
Then now it's big.
Yeah, look. Gusto niya pumuntang kumuha ng tubig doon. Ayaw ng daddy niya.
Going down.
Yeah, I know,
I
but...
never seen that before.
How are you?
How much? Gusto... 50,000. What's the last price? Let me see. Let me see. Pop, what's that? Pang pang. Pang pang daw sabi ni Kuya. Pang pang. Ito yung nilalaro nila, nakita nila kahapon sa mga bata. What's this? Let me see. Pop pop. Pop pop.
From Malaysia.
From Malaysia.
From Malaysia.
Honey pay, Han? 50, 100.
Philippines. From Malaysia.
I think so.
Okay, guys.
Wait, no. Kuya.
You understand whatever I say?
That's pretty funny.
So you don't lose and waste them. Go over there and do it on your bucket.
You need to light these ones up.
Right, now put them back in. Where's the... Thanks.
Look at me, look at me. Look at me. Oh, God.
Hey, darling.
That's all right. Thanks, Nah.
Let me see, Nak. Does look nice?
There you go, Mark.
Yeah, what size is it?
I'll say that. Hey.
Ang laman nito, eto.
Wow.
Make sure Holly's not gonna get it, ha? Si Kuya naman.
Just like that.
Nag-shopping sa ano? Sa tabi ng dagat. Okay, that's yours. What's that? Yeah, that's cute.
That one and this one. Like the blue.
You like the blue? Bilan din daw ni daddy niya. That's cute. Let me see.
What is
Like a romper.
I like.
Okay. Kay Holly. Let me see. Why?
You got the blue one, yeah?
Yeah, I do. What color is this, Holly? Oh, not here.
Hey, Zach.
No, because you might hit
Not
someone.
against surfboard. On the ground. On your bucket.
Yeah, you go shopping. Uh-oh. It is. And then you're gonna put it all back.
Usually is.
What you, wow. Wow. That's not shorts. That's dress.
You gonna like?
That's a dress. Not shorts. Wow. Is it wow? Yes. Purple. Where's the purple? Favorite color niya is purple. Where's the purple? Oh. Purple. Okay. Purple. Wow. Sinusuot niya na, oh. Oh no. Wow.
Yeah.
Let me see. Han.
Straight, what do you reckon, Red?
She's laughing at you.
Why are you laughing, little girl? No, I'm not gonna. Oi, wait.
Hang on.
Oh, I've got to do.
Soft naman nito ni Johnny Boy. Kasi kanina umaga 50 yung ano niya. Ha?
Fighting over $1.
Nagrinig nyo guys. Pinagalita ko. Nakipag-away daw ako sa $1. Sayang kasi kanina kakuha siya 50 yung ano, 50 yung t-shirt niya maganda. Isa lang ang binili namin. Eto, ang dami naming binili. Si Kylie tinawaran ngang 30 ayaw. Oh, which one you gonna wear tonight?
What, Dad?
Oh, buddy. My boy.
Mali yung sauce niya.
Is that better? What's that like down the old? Alright.
If you two go together, like, always like laughing.
He is. I just make him laugh.
You're an idiot.
Look at the turtle, Baba. There's the turtle.
The second time.
Where's Kuya? TJ, sa come here. Papakawalan nila yan, oh. Kuya, Sak, she wants you. You watch daw, Kuya. No, sit down, Papa. Okay, sit down then.
And you follow me, the final.
Baba, here.
Okay?
Eh, napapakawalan na nila yung turtle. May sinasabi pa kasi yung
First baby turtle
lalaki.
process. They will race.
Magre-race daw yung mga turtle.
Keep out. Keep them out. Come on, little buddy. No, that's good. Don't touch, guys. Don't touch. Don't touch. No one touch again.
Ayan na.
No one touch again. Good.
Ay, si Holly, oh.
Your baby turtle. Don't hurry up. You have to relax. Slow down. After you get baby turtle, it's one for winner. No one moving. No one moving.
Go, Baba.
Ambil, taruh di mangkok lagi. Taruh di mangkok. Okay.
Go see Daddy.
Dad, cousin?
Okay, now, ladies and gentlemen, you
What to do? Clumsy bum, mate. Zebra. That's right here.
Yeah, the zebra one hand.
Alright, thank you.
What are you making? Huh? What are you making? Andun na yung mga turtles sa dagat. Pinakawalan na nila. Baba? Where's the turtle? Yes? Wow! Massage siya, guys. Si Sophie, ayun, nakatulog siya, oh. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh. Ayan na. Nagkatulog na siya, oh. So, ayan. Tapos na siya mag-shopping. Nagpa-massage naman siya.
Wow!
Ayan na si Holly, ah. Baba,
No,
how much?
we got
How much you pay?
32 pieces.
No, you don't put the drink in there.
$140.
Australian.
Nothing wrong with that.
You're not going to buy that. No.
Exactly right. Nothing wrong with that at all.
They're buying more pop. Yes? What happened, Baba? Huh? Oh no! Okay, stand up. Okay, up. It's alright. It's alright. You careful. It's yuck. It's not yuck. It's only sand. It's alright. Dad, magsusumbong siya kay Dad.
Yeah, we gotta wait till dark.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
There's 12 in each pack, so that's 36.
They're buying more pop.
Dad, I need
Guys, nauna kami ni Holly umalis doon sa sa may beach kasi gusto ko mag-nap and then naligo na rin ako kasi sobrang sticky ng oil na ginamit sa akin nung nag-massage. So, ngayon, tulog si Holly kanina. Gisingin natin kasi balik kami ulit dun sa kung saan namin iniwan sila dyan. So, ayan. Itong sinuot ko na lang. Ayan. May aloha siya sa likod. Higisingan ko si Holly. Ayan, hindi ko na blinower. Siya blinower kasi si Jan naghihintay yun sa amin. Sabi niya saglit lang daw kami dito sa kwarto. Nakatulog kami ni Holly. And naligo na rin nga ako. So, gisingin natin si Holly and then balik tayo doon. For sure, madilim na. Magsi-7 na eh. Hanap kami makakainan. Ha? Your what? Ha?
Guys,
Sample.
that'll be alright.
Naghanap kami ng makakainan. What's that for? Baba! Ang ingay daw makapagsalita. Daming sasakyan. My horse. Horsey! Sak, look at the corn, Baba. Ayan yung gusto kong corn, oh, yung inasal.
Thank you so much.
Sarap.
Alright.
May change ka? Papal...
Huh?
No commission. Papapalit kami ng pera. Ubus na yung milyones namin. Na rupya.
Sugar.
How much?
Sugar.
2 million? 200 Australian dollars, 2.8 million rupiah. Is it right rate? Good rate though. Hi, Baba. Oh, saan na yung isa mong ipit? Hi, say hi, guys. We got baby. Baby. Guys, pinupush ko si Holly sa trolley niya kaso nakita ko yung dalaw naka-holding hands. Tingnan mo, oh. Kylie! 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 Oh, you missed it.
They did that all the way back.
Oh my God!
Yeah, all the way back. Look. I'm a princess. I don't want my hat on, Mum.
Ah!
Am I a princess that? Nah.
Naka-holding hands sila. Oh, ang sweet. Ayan, oh, seafood house, guys. Ang laki ng crabs. Na, sandali, tawid muna tayo. Tawid tayo. Tawid. Ayan, oh, lobster. Seafood house. Tingnan nyo yung crab. Oh my God. That's Peking duck. Oh. Ayan. Crab. Oh, crab. Daming crabs. Crabs. Isda. Mga buhay na hipon. What's this? Yung lobster nila. Nasa bote. Daming lobster pero nasa bote ng mineral. Ano nga ito? Oyster. Clam. Lobster. Hi. Naiwan ako ng mga kasama ko. Ang daming kainan dito. Kainan. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan kayo kakain. Ayan, kainan. Pasensya na guys kung may hilo kayo ha. Wow, lechon. May lechon dito guys. The best babi guling. Yan yung famous nilang lechon. Yan. In Bali. Look at the pig.
Delicious.
Hi, delicious. Delicious daw. Bali lechon. Masarap maglakad na gabi dito kasi maraming ilaw. Walang nakaka-happy lang silang tingnan. Ayan naman yung mais guys, oh. Corn. gabi. Ayan na yung kasama namin. Kaibigan pala niya, hindi namin kasama, kaibigan nila. Birthday kasi ng anak niya. He wants...
No, you can't get them in the tip in the glass. What do you want to eat, buddy?
Different noodles. Yeah, what do you want? Rice? Sprite, okay. Ang sinasabi ni Isa, gusto niya raw ng Sprite, pero ayaw niya raw yung Hits. Ang Hits yung malaking Sprite. Gusto niya lang yung maliit na, na Sprite. You don't drop your baby Baba, ha? Hi! Galit siya, oh. Oh, bakit ka galit? What do you wanna eat, Baba? Ha? Si Kuya gusto niya noodles, pero iba naman na flavor. Hanapan ko muna silang pagkain. Are you tired? It's my baby time. Hi. Say hi.
Chicken noodle with soup.
Not soup.
No
Do you
soup.
want with soup? Noodle soup?
We had a fried noodle, this one. This one the fried one, this one the soup one.
You already have this last night. Chicken? With chicken. No, you have to choose chicken or seafood.
We have just the chicken for this one, madam. We have a fried, this one with seafood. We have a seafood and a chicken. This the soup one, only chicken.
Yeah, soup, okay, chicken.
We number one.
Sorry?
There's 3 orders,
Oh, three bill.
3 separate. So we'll go number one.
We put a
Number one order.
this here.
Yeah, just these. Yeah. Oh, have you got the kids already?
Not yet. For some fried noodles.
You want to have a chicken or seafood? The fried noodle.
Seafood? You want seafood
Oh, chicken.
or chicken?
Yeah, it is
Let's
different.
go to seafood.
Seafood. And one noodle soup, right?
Noodles of chicken.
And one seafood. Okay.
Yes. And
Right back.
what is your bestseller?
Bali. Balinese. We have a nasi campur Bali. This
That's the one he had
rice.
last night.
Have the star, madam. We have the star. This one is recommend. We have a nasi campur Bali. Inside have a chicken. Ayam sisir like stranded chicken. This is Balinese traditional sambal.
Not cold.
What's this? What's this?
It's cold, mate.
There's a bread salad. It's a bread salad onion. Yes, it's bread onion.
Okay, is this the bestseller?
Yes, we have the Balinese food. This one.
This one is this Balinese?
No, it's Indonesian one.
Okay, so this is Balinese.
Balinese, yes.
Alright, I'll get
You want to try that one?
yes.
Yes.
And can you give me the spicy one, the Balinese, the Indonesian?
Oh, we have some spicy this one.
Okay, but
the
can I have
sambal on top.
sambal? No, I want a separate sambal.
Yes.
This one, but I don't want spicy.
Spicy,
No, that one.
no spicy,
Without
not
spicy.
I don't want spicy.
and 2 Sprite.
With ice?
Yes. Uh-oh. Okay, drink, Sing for your baby, put her asleep. Uh-oh. Push. Ay, paglaro yung daddy.
She have a dummy?
Yeah.
No, she have a dummy.
Oh, no, never. Tinatanong niya kung nagdami raw si Holly. Sabi ko hindi nagdami si Holly. He's tired and he's sleepy.
He's tired. Someday they'll go and play.
Naantok na si teacher.
Put it off, see if we can get it.
How is it, Baba? Tuwang-tuwa siya. May ang ininom niya, tubig, tapos konting coke lang para may flavor din yung kanya. Yung mix. Kuya, antok na, oh. Napagod siya kakalaro at kakaswimming.
What is it?
Ayan. Dito. Thank you.
Okay, it's been here. Come on.
Ito yung drink natin. Detox to na drink.
Little girl, is that
And the Bali beer. Very refreshing. Masarap naman. Masarap siya. Ang tawag nila is detox. Mix siya na pineapple, iba-ibang juice, tapos may lime, and may basil, mint. Masarap siya. Inaantok na rin siya. Inaantok na rin siya. What? They had a long day today. Ang haba ng araw nila kasi nagising sila like, ano ba yung, di ba nagising ako mga 6:30? Siguro, sakto 6:30. Si Kuya 7, mga 7. Tapos, laro lang silang laro, tapos nag-swimming, then laro. You don't like it? No. You don't like it? Ayaw. Okay, Meg. I-mix niya raw, Meg.
What are you making, Bubba?
What are you making, Baba? Meg.
You're making, Bubba?
Ito yung order ni TJ na chicken noodle soup. Ayan yung soup, naka-separate yung sabaw. Yes, you have for your noodles. It's a crackling.
Chip that in there or not?
And ito yung order ko.
Thanks, Jelly Bub.
Kay Jan. Ayan yung kay Sak na fried noodles with seafood.
That's alright. Eat it. Yeah, leave it try.
Ito yung in-order ko. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. Basta nasi champur Bali. Something like that.
Balinese rice.
Mixed Balinese rice daw. Ayan. Kain. Malulubat na ako. Ito yung sambal na hiningi ko. Ang sarap nito, guys. Si Sak, antok na yan, oh. Pero kumakain pa rin. Antok na siya, oh. Pinipilit niya sarili niyang kumain. Kahit antok na siya, oh. Papalik na kami sa hotel. Naka-holding hands pa rin yung dalawa.